Hi everyone, this is Chen with Pearson Realty. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Just like everyone else, I'm trying to do the best I can during these hard times, just like you all are. But I thought I'd do a short video about how you can be productive during this time as it relates to real estate. So some of you being home every day, maybe you're realizing the house is too small for all the people that live there. Or maybe you're realizing it's not near parks or trails or recreational areas like you thought, or maybe it just doesn't have the features that you've been wanting in your dream home. So maybe at this time it'll be great to be thinking about some home improvements that you can do to get yourself in a good situation to sell later when hopefully all of this is over. Not only have I realized a lot of people are reading on my website about home improvements, I've been hearing that handymen are very busy these days. So I guess all of those projects that you all have been putting off are finally getting done during this time. So my first recommendation to getting your house ready for the market is to fix everything that's already broken, that you know that's broken. There's really no point in having a 50-page buyer's home inspection report that lists all the things that are wrong with your house, and it only deters buyers from moving forward with the purchase. So go ahead and fix the things that you know are already broken. Number two, there are some renovations that are more valuable than others, and these would be things that bring you most resale value, which is kitchen and bath repairs. And I know that they are expensive, but it is a good thing to do because a lot of people in this area, they have a high income and they could support and afford a higher mortgage, but people are cash poor and they don't always have the liquid savings that they need to do these renovations themselves. So I have a lot of buyers who always start off saying, hey, I really want to buy a affordable home that's cheaper and I'll make the renovations over time. But almost always, once we start looking, they realize all of these updates are going to be really expensive and they just don't have the cash to do it. So we almost always end up buying a move-in ready home in which the sellers have already made all the updates. A third suggestion is to take care of the big ticket items that are going to be needing replacement. And these are the roof, the HVAC, the water heater, and the windows. Buyers agents are always asking me the age of these items when I have a home on the market, because buyers always know that these things are going to be needing replacement at some point, and they again don't always have the money to do it themselves. So updating a home is a great idea. Not only does it appeal to buyers who don't have the cash, but also it really will help your house sell quicker, and that will affect your bottom line and the sales price that you get. With long days on market, people tend to think something's wrong with your home when there's nothing wrong with it, and so it will deter people from putting forward an offer. But number two, it will attract lowball offers. And nobody wants that. You might get an offer that's $15,000 to $20,000 less than list price just because it's been on the market for a while longer. So in summary, make this time useful to you while you have the time. Get yourself in a good situation to sell in the future so that you can buy that dream home that does have the space and the features and the location that you're really looking for. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.